Hi friends, and welcome to your third training session. I hope you learned a lot in your first two sessions about where to source and what to source, what to look for, what to not look for, how much to spend. We're going to progress and pretend that you've already gone out shopping, you've sourced a few items. Now what do you do with them? Well, if you're doing clothing, what you need to do is come home and wash the clothing. Read the labels, wash things according to whatever the labels say they need to be washed as. Simple as that. There's a lot of people that just throw everything all in one pile together. There's people that separate everything out whenever they do their personal laundry. I'm not going to tell you what to do there. But whenever it comes to clothing that you're going to be reselling, go ahead and follow the instructions on the label. But it's really just important to follow the guidelines and directions. Otherwise, you spent money on this item to sell, and then if you ruin it in the wash, then you're out that money. And I don't like to waste money, friends, at all. I buy with purpose. And if my purpose is to resell something, then I'm gonna resell it. And I don't want to botch an item in the washing machine, or dryer for that matter. So just wash everything according to their instructions. If you're doing shoes, I will do a separate video that'll be in the bonus section of how to clean shoes, because are there tips and tricks to that? Whenever I first learned how to clean shoes, I was like, you want me to buy what? To do what? Nah. I was completely baffled by the products that my mentor told me to buy and use and how to use. I was like, I totally recommend watching that course because you'll learn how to keep your own shoes looking beautiful. Just a little reminder, I can take shoes that look like this and make them look like that. I know how to make things look brand spanking new, as close to possible. I mean, within reason. There's some that I can't get clean, but I am telling you what, I know how to clean shoes, and all of my shoes look practically new. So you definitely want to watch that, just in general. I mean, you're already here, you paid for the course, might as well watch it. If you're not doing clothing or shoes, I'm not going to be able to help you on how to clean anything except for, use like the little Clorox wipes and wipe it off. If you're doing appliances, run it through the dishwasher if it's dishwasher safe. Use your best judgment. I mean, if you're taking this course, clearly you're not stupid, and I'm not going to talk to you like you are, and you know how to clean things. Use your best judgment of, if you were getting something in the mail shipped to you that you bought used, wouldn't you be more thrilled if it was all cleaned up and looked really nice and clean versus like something grungy and gross? Like, I'm gonna pay more for something that's nice and clean looking over something trashy looking. And that comes from me as a person who knows how to clean things. You want to give people the feeling whenever they're looking through your closet, either on Poshmark or on eBay, your store, that all of your items are well taken care of. And if you present that, people will pick up on that, and they will want to buy from you because they see, this person buys quality products for one, they take good care of their products for two. I would say all items are stored in a smoke-free home, and after photographed, put into sealed cellophane bags. And that gives people a sense of, this isn't just, a garment that's just hung somewhere or out in free space, getting kitty fur all over it or whatever. It gives them a sense of, you're taking care of this item. So whenever they receive it, they know they're going to get a good quality item. That's what you really want to project in your shops, is quality, cleanliness, and tidiness. Taking photographs, which is what we're going to do next. I'm going to be showing the difference between good photographs and not so good photographs. And I will tell you what, my sales went up majorly whenever I finally stopped using backgrounds and just had the product on a white background. That way the product is the feature, not the background and people aren't distracted by all the other stuff. Clothes go in the washing machine and dryer or hang up to dry, whatever. Iron them. That's the other thing, friends. If you're doing clothing, iron your clothes before you take a picture of it. Wrinkled clothes do not sell well. You know, what looks better, this or that? Take the time to iron. I hate ironing. I hate it with a fiery, burning passion. Hate it. It's one of my least favorite activities. I do not like to iron at all. Ironing is my least favorite part of this job. I hate it. Hate it. But I do it because, I mean, the proof is in the pudding. You're gonna get a lot more sales if you have a nice ironed garment than that. I mean, which one are you more attracted to? I mean, I'm gonna go for something that looks nice and neat and tidy and clean over not. You're gonna be able to command a better price with something that looks nice, clean, and crisp versus not. So just think about that. And like I said, if you're doing appliances or vases or teacups or whatever, you know, just wash them. It's as simple as that. Just wash things, get things cleaned up, get all the little dirt and specks and different things off of it. Price tags. I want to do this. Do not pull, if you buy clothing, do not pull the price tags off. You know, it's usually in the shoulder or wherever. Don't do that. Cut it, because otherwise you could create a hole. Don't do that. If you have something, a hard surface, stuck on tag, use a hair dryer to kind of heat it up a little bit and it'll just peel right off. Or just let it soak in some warm water and it'll peel right off. Try to remove these tags so that way people aren't like, oh, well, clearly they got that at Goodwill. Goodwill tags, whenever you pull them off, there's like 3 little teardrop shapes that are usually left behind. I don't know why they do that, but it's annoying. Take the time to get all the pieces of the tag off and not scraping it either, where you see like scrape marks on the bottom. Like that looks tacky. Don't do that. Take the time to soak it off properly and then wipe it down with a Clorox wipe or something to get like any little extra sticky residue off. Just taking just a little bit of time will earn you a greater return on your investment. It's as simple as that. So, all right, on to photographs. See you in the next video.